big table. Oh, look at that. That thing's huge. What's up, everybody? Welcome. Charles with KnottHead Custom Sawing here. Today we're going to be using our WoodMizer LT15 Wide sawmill to cut, or resaw actually, a 36-inch wide by 8-inch thick GlueLam beam that we reclaimed out of a building. What this is going to end up becoming is a tabletop that's approximately 6 feet wide and 13 feet long. Check it out. So on our mill bed, we only have approximately 33 inches from this little stop nub to the bunk where the wheels need clearance. About 33. So we have a 36-inch beam, so we're going to put these spacers on top of the bunks so that they engage on that little stop block. That's what we're going to set our beam on, because our beam is wider than that little area right there. And we're going to be using 3. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3 down there. That's what we're going to set our beam on. Now that we have our beam set up there, you can see that we have clearance on the sides for the rollers, so we don't have to worry about binding up. And there we go. So instead of it sitting on the bunks, we got it sitting up on these blocks to get it closer to the backstops.
Get ready for some excitement. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Wasn't really expecting that one.
Well, there's another one.
Keep an eye out for a future video on how you can make it really easy to dig out a broken saw blade out of the middle of your cut once they've broke. We'll get a new blade on here and be back sawing in just a second.
That's nice.
Let me clean this off a little bit so that you can see it a little bit better.
Well, now I don't know what you guys think, but that's one pretty big table. 66 inches wide, 160 inches long. It's 4.5 inches thick. How the heck is this thing gonna get moved? I don't know, but for now I got a tractor. That's pretty big. Now that's a big table.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified of new videos as we post them. Thanks for watching.